Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zig, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to show you how to remove a bank account on Tango. So after adding a bank account and maybe there's an error and you want to remove it, this video is for you, so I'll show you how to do it. So first step to take is, of course, open your Tango app and log into your account. Next, you have to click on the avatar icon or profile icon at the top left corner. Right, so after clicking on that, the next thing you want to do is to scroll down and you find this get money option. Click on that, and then from here you're going to see your payment method or your bank account that was added. Right, so it could be any other payment method other than bank transfer. All right, so if you want to remove it, all you have to do is to click on it just like this, and you get the option to disconnect. Right, so just click on the disconnect button at the bottom of your screen and confirm to disconnect, and that's it will be disconnected. Right, so that's how you can actually remove payment method on Tango app. All right, hope this guide was helpful and you now know how to do it. If yes, give this video a like and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching guys.